Today we are going to talk about one of our cases about otitis interna, a severe inner ear infection, and analyze what happened in this dog. This condition is more than just an earring problem. It can affect balance and even the nervous system. Come with us. Otitis interna is a deep ear infection that goes beyond the external ear canal and can compromise your dog's equilibrium. And what does that mean? Otitis interna, or most ear infections, start as otitis externa. But when they are ignored or poorly treated, bacteria and yeast can travel deeper into the middle and inner ear. Common causes include untreated external otitis. Some of these examples I'm giving you are in our dog, in Gemma, and we have a several video about her and her skin infection, how she was treated and how she was improving from the start. So the ear infection she had is a chronic disease she has. So untreated external otitis is not the case. Chronic allergies, it is the case for her. And then another sign is moisture trapped in a floppy ears. She has a floppy ears because she's a golden retriever. And improper cleaning, which is not the case because I'm veterinarian, but veterinarians do mistakes as well. And repeated ear infection, which she has as well. And a certain breeds, like a golden retriever, are more prone due to their ear structure to have all these kind of otitis interna or otitis externa. Now let's take a closer look of our dog's ears. The first ear shows severe inflammation. You can see the redness all around the ear, and the skin is thickened. You can see how easily she can trap moisture and yeast. The inflammation here in the ear canal, when I gently touch this area, the dog shows discomfort. At advanced stages, when infection reaches the inner ear, you may see head tilt, loss of balance, walking in circles, nystagmus, which means rapid eye movement, nausea or vomiting. When the infection reaches this point, it is painful and potentially serious. And what not to do at home. Do not insert cotton swab deep into the ear. Do not use random home remedies. And do not ignore persistent head shaking. You can see in the other side how severe it becomes. The skin is thickened. Always pay attention to early signs like frequent head shaking, bad odor, which is very common, scratching just one ear, which is one is most affected than the other, dark discharge, and sensitivity when you touch the area. At home, your dog might rub their head against furniture. They might avoid being touched. They might seem dizzy or disorientated. It's extremely important to visit your vet before the infection spreads deeper. If treated early, otitis is still manageable, but once it's progressed to otitis interna, treatment becomes longer and more complex. This is Gemma. The infection had already extended deeper, and she developed a head tilt. As you can see in the first year, she developed very red inflammation, chronic inflammation. circles that has red and inflamed hot areas. Otitis interna is more than just an ear problem. It's a sign that something in your dog's health needs pay attention. Whether it's allergies, chronic inflammation, immune weakness, and or grooming practices. If you see similar signs in your dog, feel free to send me a short video and we can analyze it together. And if you want a tip about preventing a dog ear infection, just comment below. Now, let me show you how to properly clean your dog's ear at home. Golden Retrievers are one of the most common breeds we see with ear infections, and the reason is simple: floppy ears. Floppy ears trap moisture. As you're gonna see in Gemma, she had a lot of moisture trapped in her ear, and cleaning properly can prevent many cases of external otitis. What you need before starting, you'll need veterinary ear cleaning solution, cotton paws or gauze, gloves, treats for positive reinforcement. In this case, I'm gonna give her love. Also, you will need, just if you find it, a rat tooth tweezers, but if not, you can use another tool. Step 1. Check first. Always examine the ear before cleaning. Look for excess redness, thick discharge, strong odor, pain reaction. A quick system is I take a cotton ball and grab it around the rat tooth tweezers, then I attach a cleaner to it. Step 2. Lift the ear flap gently. Fill the ear canal with cleaning solution. Don't be afraid to use enough product. You want the solution to reach deep into the canal. But be aware to not going too deep into the ear canal. You can damage it. And remember always going from inside to outside and not repeating the procedure again with the same cotton because you can cause even worse problem. As you can see, Gemma's ears are dirty. So we're gonna do the procedure one more time. Going from inside and then cleaning around to outside. After cleaning everything, we're gonna put some antibiotics. In this case, it's gonna be some drops and then massage the base of the ears for about 20 to 30 seconds. Depending on the case, you're gonna first clean and then apply the antibiotics or another product. As I say, it's always depending on the case. We're gonna do the same procedure in the other side of the ear. In this case, it's the less affected ear. It's less redness, but it has a lot of moisture and bacteria around, so we had to clean it first. We also have a treatment for dog's ear problems in another video I'll show you around here. And you can, because that one it was in a fungal case, this one is bacterial, but it's always, as I said, depending on the case. We also have to run some tests to know if there is more bacteria or fungus. I will repeat you what was the procedure again. First, I take a cotton ball and grab it around the rat tooth twisters. Then I attach a cleaner to it, and then after cleaning everything, I put the antibiotics. Always massage the base of the canal ear for 20 to 30 seconds, clean it up, and then everything is done. Now go and check all the Gemma full series videos.